Lexus turned heads at the Japan Mobility Show in Tokyo by unveiling the striking LFCC concept, a next-generation BEV that previewed the production model to be launched in 2026. LFCC, which stands for Lexus Future Zero Emission Catalyst, is supported by a new EV architecture and has a modular structure created through gigacasting, dividing the body into three main parts: front, middle and back. Gigacasting is also being pursued by other automakers, most notably Tesla, and Lexus says its configuration will ensure the front and rear of the LFCC are structurally independent, enabling rapid integration of new and improved batteries. The key to making the LFCC a reality will be a state-of-the-art, self-driving assembly line where the car will drive itself autonomously with only battery, engine, tires and wireless terminal components, eliminating the need for conveyors. Belts on the production line. Meanwhile, the vehicle will be launched with batteries with a prismatic structure, which Lexus says will increase range and reduce weight. In fact, Lexus says the LFCC aims to achieve nearly twice the range of conventional battery electric vehicles. The LFCC has a similar footprint as the BMW i4 and Tesla Model 3, measuring 4,750 mm, 187 in, long, 1,880 mm, 74 in, wide and 1,390 mm, 54.7 in, tall, and 2,890 mm, 113.7 in, high has inches, wheelbase. Lexus is targeting a drag coefficient of less than 0.2, which if achieved would make it one of the slipperiest production vehicles ever. Its shape is a cross between a sporty sedan and a sedan, somewhat similar to the Kia EV6 but sitting much lower to the ground and lacking any traditional crossover features. It follows the provocative simplicity design theme introduced by Lexus and represents an evolution of the firm's existing styling language. Lexus has not yet provided specifications for the concept car's electric powertrain, but the firm notes that it has a direct 4 all-wheel drive system and a paddle shifter system similar to the Lexus RZ. It promises to deliver engaging and exciting dynamics where driver and car become one. It's good for us. The interior of the LFCC is quite spacious, to say the least. The front ones sit low and forward on the flat ground, and the full panoramic roof adds to the luxurious feel. A futuristic fork-style steering wheel stands out, and to its left is a small digital pad that houses the shifter, autonomous driving modes, and driving modes. While the screen to the right of the steering wheel is used for music and air conditioning controls, the digital instrument panel is also used. This area of the interior is very similar to the Toyota FTSE concept, also presented in Tokyo. A large touch screen with entertainment functions is placed in front of the passenger. An advanced voice recognition system has also been developed for the car using artificial intelligence technology known as Butler. This system uses self-learning functions to personalize the software and works with the new Arene OS to adapt various vehicle functions and features to the driver. A large part of the concept's cabin is made of bamboo, due to its rapid growth, significant CO2 absorption capacity in use for centuries in Japan.